Most people waste way too much time trying to activate Hulu through Spectrum. They keep switching between apps, restarting devices, and searching random forums, thinking the problem is technical. But here's the truth no one tells you. In many cases, the issue is not your TV. It's confusion about how Spectrum and Hulu Access actually work together. And in 2026, bundled streaming offers have become more confusing than ever. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to activate Hulu with Spectrum in 3 simple steps, the biggest mistakes users make during setup, why some accounts never receive activation access, and the hidden issue that causes most activation failures. And later, I'll show you the fastest way to fix activation problems without wasting an hour talking to support. So let's get straight into it. Step 1 is verifying whether your Spectrum plan actually includes Hulu Access. This is the biggest mistake people make immediately. They assume every Spectrum TV package automatically comes with Hulu. That is not always true. Some promotional bundles, premium offers, or limited time plans may include streaming partnerships, while many standard packages do not. This distinction matters enormously. Now, let's make this practical. Imagine Jake sees an ad mentioning Hulu Access connected to Spectrum services. He assumes his current TV package already qualifies. So he downloads Hulu, tries signing in through Spectrum credentials, and immediately gets confused when activation fails. The problem? His actual plan never included Hulu Access in the first place. This happens constantly. Now here's where things get interesting. Many activation problems are actually eligibility problems disguised as technical issues. That's the hidden reality most users never realize. So before touching the Hulu app at all, log into your Spectrum account and verify whether your specific package includes Hulu Access or a streaming promotion tied to your plan. This one step alone saves huge amounts of frustration. Now here's where most people fail again. They use the wrong login credentials. Spectrum credentials and Hulu credentials are not always interchangeable automatically. Sometimes users already have existing Hulu accounts tied to completely different emails. That creates account conflicts fast. Now let's move to step 2. Activate the included Hulu offer correctly. Once eligibility is confirmed, Spectrum usually directs qualifying users through a specific activation process tied to the promotion or bundle. This is critical, because many users skip the official activation flow and try signing into Hulu directly first. That often breaks the setup experience. Now here's where things get interesting again. Some users accidentally create brand new Hulu subscriptions before activating the Spectrum-linked offer. That creates billing confusion later because 2 separate account relationships may exist simultaneously. And honestly, this is one of the most common mistakes in streaming activation today. Now, in a minute, I'll show you the hidden issue that causes activation loops on smart TVs. But first, let's finish the activation process. After confirming eligibility and following the Spectrum-linked activation steps, connect the Hulu account properly on your preferred streaming device. That could include smart TVs, Roku devices, Fire TV, Apple TV, gaming consoles, or mobile apps. Now here's where most people fail once again. They activate successfully on the website, but forget to refresh or fully restart the streaming app afterward. This matters more than people realize. Sometimes cached login sessions prevent updated account permissions from appearing immediately. A full sign-out and restart often fixes the issue quickly. Now let's move to step 3. Verify streaming access across devices. This is important because users often assume one successful login means everything syncs perfectly automatically. Not always. Check live playback, account access, profile loading, and subscription recognition across the devices you actually use most. That final verification prevents confusion later. Now here's the hidden issue I mentioned earlier. Existing Hulu subscriptions. This creates major problems for many users. Imagine Alex already pays directly for Hulu independently. Then later, Alex upgrades to a Spectrum package that includes Hulu Access. If the accounts are not linked correctly, duplicate billing confusion may happen. That's why understanding which email address and subscription path you originally used matters enormously. Now here's where things get interesting. Streaming ecosystems are becoming increasingly bundled together in 2026. Internet providers, mobile carriers, TV companies, and streaming platforms now overlap constantly through promotional partnerships. That convenience sounds great. But honestly, it also creates more account complexity than most people expect. Now let's discuss another common issue. Activation loops. This happens when users repeatedly bounce between Spectrum login pages, Hulu login screens, and device authentication prompts. Usually, this problem comes from incorrect account linking, expired sessions, or existing Hulu account conflicts, not the TV itself. That distinction matters. Now here's where most people fail again. They troubleshoot devices before verifying account eligibility and subscription structure first. That wastes huge amounts of time. The smarter approach is verify the plan, confirm activation status, then troubleshoot devices afterward only if needed. Simple. Now let's discuss another hidden factor. Regional promotions and timing. Some Spectrum offers may be temporary, location-based, or tied to specific promotional periods. This means two users with Spectrum may actually have completely different streaming entitlements. That surprises many people. Now here's where things get interesting again. Customer support confusion often happens because users describe the problem incorrectly. For example, someone says, Hulu won't work. But the real issue may be plan eligibility, duplicate subscriptions, or incorrect email linking. Precise troubleshooting saves enormous time. Now let's discuss another important tip. Always check whether you are billed through Hulu directly or through Spectrum after activation. This matters because account management and cancellations may follow different systems depending on how the subscription is structured. And honestly, many users ignore billing details until problems appear later. Now here's another mistake users make. Using multiple household email addresses during setup. That creates confusion quickly. The cleanest setup usually happens when Spectrum credentials, Hulu activation, and streaming logins stay organized under the correct account structure consistently. That organization matters more than people realize. Now let's answer the practical question viewers really care about. What's the fastest way to activate Hulu with Spectrum successfully? Simple. Verify your Spectrum package first. Use the official activation flow. Avoid creating duplicate Hulu subscriptions. And restart streaming apps after activation completes. That process solves most setup problems quickly. Now, before we finish, let's summarize clearly. How do you activate Hulu with Spectrum in 2026? Step 1. Verify your Spectrum plan actually includes Hulu access. Step 2. Complete the official activation process through the linked offer correctly. Step 3. Sign into Hulu on your devices and verify playback works properly. That's the cleanest approach. Now here's the most important takeaway. Most activation problems are not technical failures. They are account structure and eligibility problems. That's the hidden truth most users never realize. So here's the bottom line. Activating Hulu with Spectrum can be very simple in 2026 if you verify eligibility first, follow the correct activation flow, and avoid duplicate subscription mistakes. The smartest users focus on account setup and billing clarity before troubleshooting devices endlessly. That saves huge amounts of time and frustration. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with which streaming bundle has confused you the most recently. And if you want, I can also show you how to activate Disney+, Max, and Peacock through cable and internet provider bundles, step by step.